A pitcher contained 32 ounces of orange juice, 12 ounces of grapefruit juice. More grapefruit was added until the pitcher contained 1/3 grapefruit. How many ounces of grapefruit juice were added? Okay, the formal solution here, we could set up equations. So initially, the total is the grapefruit plus the orange juice, which equals 12 plus 32. The new amount is going to be T plus some unknown ounces of grapefruit X. So that will be G plus O plus X, which is 12 plus 32, we know is 44. It's going to be 44 plus X. That's my new total in the entire pitcher. The amount of grapefruit will be the original grapefruit plus X, which equals 12 plus X. Now I can set up the equation, a ratio. 12 plus X, that's the ounces of new grapefruit, over 44 plus X, which is the new total, must equal 1/3. And now I can simply cross multiply and solve this proportion equation. Multiply that side by 3, multiply this side by 44 plus X, and I'll get 3 times 12 plus X, which equals 44 plus X. Let's distribute here. 3 times 12 is 36. 3 times plus X is plus 3X, equals 44 plus X. I'm going to subtract X from both sides because I see X on both sides. I don't want to get it onto 1. So that leaves me 36 plus 2X equals 44. And now I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. The result will be 2X equals 44 minus 36. Now that's 2X simplifying. Is 44 minus 36 or 8. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals 4 ounces of grapefruit juice added. Our answer is how many ounces of grapefruit juice were added. Always check the question line before we answer. B, 4 ounces. We could have answered this another way, which you might find easier and faster in many cases. We simply plug the answers back in, what we call back solving. In ratio problems and age word problems, oftentimes plugging the answers back in can be faster. So simply what would I do? I would say, what if the answer were 2? Let's take a look at that. Well, then I'd have 32 ounces of orange juice plus 12 grapefruit plus 2 more grapefruit. That would give me a total of 46 ounces. It would give me a total grapefruit of 12 plus 2, or 14 ounces. So is 14 over 46 equal to 1/3? Is that correct given the final conditions? Well, the answer is no, it's not. 3 times 14 is 42. So this is a little less than 1/3. That's not the correct answer. Let's move on to the next. Let's try 4. So I have 32 orange juice plus 12 grapefruit originally. I add 4. That's now going to give me a total of 48 ounces in all. Well, between grapefruit originally and the added grapefruit, that would be 12 plus 4 is 16. Does 16 over 48 equal the conditions given at the end of our problem, a 1/3 ratio of grapefruit to total? The answer is yes, it does. 16 times 3 is 48, so 16 over 48 is 1/3. This checks. That is the correct answer. So B, 4 ounces, is the right answer. Notice I did not have to set up the equations. I did not know how to solve them. I simply plugged in the answer choices and checked until I got the right answer that met the conditions of the problem.